I just want to show you where I'm starting with this recycling of clay and formulating a new clay body. And I'm doing this pretty intuitively, just kind of like you would do if you were grabbing stuff out of the fridge and cooking with it. I'm using 3 clay bodies that I have used before, so I know all of these are in themselves good clay bodies for tile or architectural ceramics. I've dried old bags that I had and then pounded them down. This is a Peter King clay body, and all of these clays have a lot of grog in them, so they're going to soak up really fast. That's why I'm fine with leaving chunks this size. This is a white sculpture body. I don't remember the name of it, but I got it from New Mexico clay and had some left over. Let it dry out in the bag. And then this is called terracotta sculpture, and it's a Laguna clay. It's a light red clay. This is a white to yellowish buff when it's fired. I'm going to combine all 3 of these, plus a few extras. I have a gold clay and a couple of other red clays that I'll add as accents. And for every 10 pounds, for every 20 pounds, there will be about 10 pounds of this, 6.5 of this, and 4 of this. And then I'm going to add some colorant to it because I'm looking for kind of a gold brown clay. I don't know if this is going to work, except these are stains I've added to the bodies before. I have kind of actually these 2, I procured some buckets of these. I don't really know what they are, but I've used them in glazes before. They're both have some irons and some other minerals. This is a gold brown mason stain. And then this is going to be an experiment. I had a jar of dried rust underglaze that's usually good to cone 5 or 6. So I'm adding some of this rust, a couple of browns, and a gold brown. And this is enough for a 20-pound batch of clay as far as quantity goes. And I'll show you just it's kind of a little small-scale sample. When you start adding these clays, what I'll do is I'm just going to add the clay to water and let it slake for a couple of days. And of course, I'll be adding quite a bit more clay. This is just a sample amount. I don't know if you can see this, but as I add this clay, let's see if I can focus this. You can see the water start to bubble and fizz as the air starts getting, as the water starts soaking into the air, making little bubbles. So this clay is ready for water. It has all kinds of empty air spaces inside. And it's just saying, come on down, water. Soak me up. Make me workable again. All right. So that is how I'm going to start this process of cooking with clay. Bye-bye. Back to basics.